New York, USA, December 12, 2024.
December 12, 2024, Buffalo, New York. About after midnight. This is literally about 20 seconds when I was looking up.
The third significant lake effect snowstorm since the end of November is blasting Great Lakes communities with strong winds and heavy snow that has led to treacherous travel conditions and a state of emergency in parts of New York State. New York Governor Kathy Hochul announced on X that she had declared a state of emergency in several counties, including Jefferson and Erie counties, due to the expected feet of additional snowfall expected through the rest of the week. Both Eden and Orchard Park both picked up more than 2 feet, with Hamburg getting close at 22 inches. Orchard Park has also issued a local state of emergency and implemented a driving ban that will be in effect until further notice. Town Highway and Village, Department of Public Works, crews have been working throughout the night to remove snow from roadways.
Sorry guys, it's a little cold.
Buffalo Mayor Chris Scanlon said he has been in constant contact with both Hochul and Poloncarz regarding the high-impact lake-effect snowstorm, and said Buffalo City Hall would be closed Thursday due to the winter weather conditions. Traveling in these conditions is bad enough, but the intensity that the snow has been falling has been making it even more treacherous. There were also reports of rare thundersnow in the Watertown, New York, area early Thursday morning. Thundersnow is when thunder and lightning are observed while precipitation falls in the frozen variety. Similar to thunderstorms, thundersnow requires a significant amount of atmospheric instability, and in areas where the phenomenon occurs, snowfall rates can be exceptionally heavy.
Asphalt. So this lake effect snow is coming in, and it's coming in pretty fast.
Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz said he was advised that local states of emergency have also been declared in towns across western New York, including Brant and Evans. Travel bans have been implemented due to poor visibility. Poloncarz said an Erie County Department of Public Works plow truck drove off the road on Route 20 in the Evans and Hamburg areas.
Why won't my camera focus? I need like...
No, Steven. So please don't come up like that.
In addition, a tandem and empty tractor-trailer ban has been implemented in both directions on the New York State Thruway, Interstate 90, from exit 53 west to the Pennsylvania state line, as well as for portions of Route 5, US 219, New York Route 400, and Interstate 86. The snow has been falling fast and furious across portions of Pennsylvania and New York, with several communities already picking up more than 2 feet of snow.